Welcome back. It's always a good day when I get to spend it with my friend Kelly. We don't get to work together as much anymore, so it's fun to hang out with her, especially when we have some decent weather news to talk about. We're going to talk about the heat in just a minute, but you've been getting some great pictures of these unusual clouds forming.
Yeah, especially it seemed like in Hamilton County we got a lot of them, and I live in Fishers, so saw it from my window, and I told my husband, I'm like, check those awesome clouds out. They were so cool. In layman's terms, it's called a wave cloud. Basically, we have air rising and air sinking, causing these really cool waves of these clouds. And this is sent in by Pac Fan from Twitter. A cool cloud makeup in Carmel this morning, and this one's from Noblesville. You can again see those cool cloud formations. They were pretty impressive, but we did have some thunderstorms that moved through the area earlier this morning, especially north of Indianapolis, and we had some heavier downpours. In fact, I'm zooming into the town of Strawn. This area saw some very heavy rain earlier this morning. And in fact, here's 2.5 inches of rain from our weather bug network. So that area definitely packed in a lot of rain. Training thunderstorms. We had those thunderstorms move over the same area several times this morning between really about 6 o'clock this morning through 9 a.m. Muncie had close to 1.5 inches, just over an inch in Connersville, and just 0.2 of an inch of rain in Bunker Hill. Here's a look right now. Live Doppler 13 radar, really just some leftover storms in east central Indiana. We do have the potential of a few more isolated thunderstorms later on this afternoon. Currently it is 78 degrees in Indianapolis, 79 in Kokomo, 83 already in Lafayette, where we're seeing those clouds clear out, and that's going to allow those temperatures to really soar. Temperatures today will climb to 90 degrees with winds out of the southwest from about 10 to 15 miles per hour. We'll see a high near 90 degrees in Peru, 90 degrees in Columbus, 92 will be the high in Lafayette, 88 in Richmond. Tonight, if you are heading to the Indians game, there is a small chance of an isolated thunderstorm, mainly towards the early part of the evening. That first pitch at 7:15. Temperatures eventually only fall to 81 degrees as you're leaving Victory Field. Now, here's a look at those possible thunderstorms. May see a few of these isolated storms popping up this afternoon with the heat of the day, and we have some outflow boundaries that could cause some of those storms, but I really think they will be very isolated. For the most part, we are just talking about that heat and that humidity, which will be high for the next several days. Tonight, temperatures only fall to 68 degrees. We'll keep that chance of a thunderstorm in the forecast. And then as we head into Saturday afternoon, we are talking mainly heat and humidity, with those temperatures climbing to 92 degrees. Now, the Storm Prediction Center does have an area well to the north of our area for a risk of severe weather. So I do think we'll have a few thunderstorms popping up mainly Saturday evening. Here's a look at future track Saturday evening. We'll see those storms mainly in northern Indiana. And again, some of those could be strong, possibly severe. Main effects will likely be those heavy downpours with that high humidity we have in place. As those storms move through, they will be squeezing out a lot of that moisture. So Sunday, we'll see another warm day, high of 91 degrees. That system will bring in a little bit of a northerly breeze, so I think it'll be just a bit cooler, but really that doesn't make much of a difference, does it, at 91 degrees? A lot of graduation parties moving in this weekend, so you'll want to at least have some place for people to come indoors if you are hosting it outside. Temperatures today climbing to 90 degrees, a chance of an isolated thunderstorm, 94 and hot for Saturday. And then as we head into Sunday, high of 92 degrees, still hot for Monday, but we start to bring storm chances in Tuesday, Wednesday, and Thursday. The heat and the humidity stick around through the end of the week. Naomi?